Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see the algorithm for conversion from infix to postfix expression. Before seeing the algorithm, at first we'll see with an example how to convert an infix expression to the postfix expression. So before starting this particular example, initially we are placing the parenthesis at the starting and the parenthesis at the ending of the infix expression. So if we take this example, this is the example that I want to convert that into the postfix expression, and I am adding at the end the closing parenthesis, and I am adding at the starting into the stack the opening parenthesis. That means opening parenthesis is entered at the starting and the closing parenthesis has been entered at the ending. So initially we consider the opening parenthesis as a starting character, so I am placing that into the stack. So before going to see this algorithm, the four things that we are doing is, if a opening parenthesis is coming, just push it onto the stack. And if any character is coming, add that character to the end of the postfix expression. If any operator is coming, place that particular operator into the stack. But when we are having the highest priority operator inside the stack, and when we are pushing the low priority operator into this particular thing, the high priority operator is popped and added to the postfix expression, and the low priority operator is placed into the stack. And the last one is, if closing parenthesis is there, simply remove all the characters from the stack until the opening parenthesis is coming. So these are the four conditions that we are having. The four conditions, once again I am repeating. If any opening parenthesis is coming, just push it onto the stack. If any character is coming, place it to the end of the postfix expression. If closing parenthesis is coming, remove all the characters from the top of the stack until the opening parenthesis is coming. And the opening parenthesis is removed and it is not added to the postfix expression. And if any operator is coming, push the operator on into the stack. But if highest priority operator is inside the stack, that is at the top of the stack, and if you are trying to push the lowest priority operator, just pop the highest priority operators and add it to the postfix expression, and then add this operator inside. We'll see with an example these four cases. So initially the first character we are pushing onto the stack is opening parenthesis. Then A is coming. So A is the infix character that we have stacked. Because A is the alphanumeric character, I am adding at the end of the postfix expression. Then the second character is minus is coming. So minus is the operator and there was no operator that was present inside. So we are pushing it into the stack. Then once again opening parenthesis is coming. Whenever the opening parenthesis is coming, push it onto the stack. And the next character is B. B is the alphanumeric character, so I am placing at the end of the postfix expression. Then the next character is divided by. So divided by is the operator and no operator is present here for checking the priority, so we are placing divided by into the stack. Then C is the character, alphanumeric character that we are coming, so I am placing at the end of the postfix expression. Then the next character is plus. Plus I want to push it onto the stack. But already in the stack there was a divided by. So divided by is having the highest priority when compared to the plus. So pop the divided by and add it to the postfix expression and then add the plus to this particular stack. That is, push the plus to the stack. Once again I am repeating this one. When the plus is coming, already in the top of the stack divided by is there. Divided by is having the highest priority than the plus. So high priority operator is popped and added to the postfix expression and the low priority operator is pushed onto the stack. Then once again the opening parenthesis is coming, add the opening parenthesis to the stack. Then the alphanumeric character called as D is coming, so D is placed at the end of the postfix expression. Then percentile is coming, so percentile is pushed onto the stack. And E is coming, E is the alphanumeric character and it is added at the end of the postfix expression. Then the star is coming. Now I want to place the star inside. Percentile and the star divided by percentile and star having the same priority. Therefore, it is not the lower priority or the higher priority, same priority is there, so I am pushing the star. Then F is coming, F is added at the end of the postfix expression. Then closing parenthesis is coming. Whenever the closing parenthesis is coming, pop all the operators inside from the stack until the opening parenthesis. At first star is popped and added, and then percentile is popped and added. And remove this particular opening parenthesis from the stack. Don't add it to the postfix expression. Just discard it by popping it. Then divided by is coming. So already inside plus is there. Now I am adding the divided by. So plus is having the lower priority than the divided by. That's why there was no problem. Push it onto the stack. Then G is coming. G is alphanumeric character. So I am adding at the end of the postfix expression. Then closing parenthesis is coming. Until the opening parenthesis, pop all the operators. That is, divided by is popped and added here. Plus is popped and added here. Then pop this particular opening parenthesis and discard it. Then star is coming. Already minus is there. It is lowest priority only. That's why highest priority operator is pushed onto the top of the stack. Then H is coming. H is added to the postfix expression. Then closing parenthesis, that what we have added at the end is coming here. Whenever the closing parenthesis is coming, just pop all these operators. That is star is popped and placed, and minus is popped and placed here, and just remove the opening parenthesis. This is the way in which we are performing this infix to postfix mechanism. Now see here, the algorithm that we are having is, the first step that what we have done was, we have added at the end the closing parenthesis. Then we have pushed this particular closing parenthesis onto the stack. The same thing we are doing in this one. Add closing parenthesis at the end of infix expression. Push the opening parenthesis onto the stack. That is nothing but we are adding opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis at the starting and ending of the infix expression. Then we are repeating these 4 steps until infix expression is completed. That is, all the characters in the infix expression are scanned. So initially, suppose consider that if a opening parenthesis is coming, what we have done? Simply we have pushed onto the stack. When an operand is coming, that is when a digit or a character, when an alphanumeric character is coming, just we are adding it to the end of the postfix expression. When closing parenthesis is coming, repeatedly pop from the stack until the opening parenthesis is encountered. That means we are removing all the operators from the stack until this particular opening parenthesis is coming. Then discard that opening parenthesis. That is, we are removing this particular opening parenthesis from the stack and we are not adding it to the postfix expression. Suppose consider that fourth one is, if an operator O is coming. So whenever the operator O is coming, we are checking what is the priority of the internal, that is top of the stack operator and our operator. If our operator is having the highest priority than that particular thing, just we are pushing onto the stack. Otherwise, we are repeatedly popping from the top of the stack and we are adding at the end of the postfix expression. So these are the 4 cases that we are having. And at the end, we are doing this particular activity until the stack is empty. Once the stack is empty, we are printing that postfix expression. These are the steps that we are having. The 4 steps that we are having are basically the activities that we are doing are, we are adding the closing parenthesis at the end, we are adding the opening parenthesis at the starting, that is nothing but we are pushing onto the stack, and the 4 conditions. When open parenthesis is encountered, push it onto the stack. When an alphanumeric character is encountered, add it to the postfix expression. When closing parenthesis is encountered, repeatedly pop from the stack and add it to the postfix expression until the opening parenthesis is encountered. And then pop the opening parenthesis and discard it. When an operator is encountered, see the operator that we are getting newly and what is the top of the stack operator priority. If our operator priority is more, just push it onto the stack. Otherwise, repeatedly pop the top of the stack until less than, that is greater than or equal to priority is coming for us. And we are performing this repeatedly popping of the stack and adding it to the postfix expression until the stack is empty. So we'll take with another example we are seeing here. This is the example I have added at the starting and ending the opening and the closing parenthesis. Initially, opening parenthesis is placed. Once again, opening parenthesis is there. I am adding here. A is coming. A is added to the postfix expression. Then minus is coming. We are placing into this one. B is coming. Then we are adding it to the postfix expression. Then closing parenthesis is coming. Until the opening parenthesis, pop all the operators. That is minus is popped and we are discarding this one. Then plus is coming. We are adding it to the stack. Then D is coming. We are adding it to the postfix expression. Divided by is coming. We are adding it to the stack because it is no problem. Then when open parenthesis is coming, we are adding it to the stack. Once again open parenthesis came, we are adding it to the stack. E is coming, we are adding it to the postfix expression. Plus is coming, we are pushing on to the stack. F is coming, we are placing it to the postfix expression. When closing parenthesis is coming, until the opening parenthesis, remove the operators. Plus is removed and this opening parenthesis is also removed. Into is coming, into is placed into the stack, that is pushed onto the stack. G is coming, we are placing here. Closing parenthesis is coming. For the closing parenthesis, remove all the terms up to that particular opening parenthesis. The star is removed and it is placed. Once again, the opening parenthesis is coming, closing parenthesis is coming. For that closing parenthesis, remove all the terms. Divided by is removed and it is placed here. And plus is popped and it is placed here. And remove this particular opening parenthesis. This is the way in which we are doing this particular activity. For your practice, I am giving one more example here. Please see this particular example. Now we will see the program for implementation of this particular thing. I am taking the stack as a 50 characters and I am placing the top of the stack as a -1. And I am implementing the push operation and the pop operation. Push operation, simply what it does, it increments the top and then it will be placed, the element is placed into the S of top position. And pop operation, simply it is removing the S of top and it is decrementing the top equal to top -1. And this priority operation that I have taken for the purpose of specifying the priority of the operators. The lowest priority we are giving for the opening parenthesis, and then plus minus is the second priority, into slash percentile power also you can take. Those have been given priority 3. Now for the infix expression, I have taken the infix array, and for postfix expression I have taken the postfix array. So initially I value is 0 and k value is 0. I am considering for the infix expression and k I am considering for the postfix expression. I am asking to enter the infix expression initially and I am reading the infix expression by using the %s, or you can use the getS also. And at the end I am adding the closing parenthesis by using the strcat function. And I am adding the opening parenthesis by using the push operation, and I am pushing that onto the stack. While the end of the infix expression is coming, I am removing each and every character from this particular infix expression. Infix of I is placed into this character and I is plus is made. I am checking whether that particular character is not equivalent to /0, that is, it is not the end of the string. Then I am checking the first condition. If the character is opening parenthesis, I am pushing onto the stack. And if the character is an alphanumeric character, alphanumeric is a function which checks whether it is a digit or character. Simply I am adding to the postfix of k and k is incremented by 1. That is, character is placed into the postfix array. If the character is equivalent to the closing parenthesis, until the opening parenthesis, I am popping the character and I am adding that to the postfix array. And at the end, I am popping the opening parenthesis and I am not adding it any place. And the fourth one, when the character is a operator, I am checking our operator priority and the top of the stack priority. If the top of the stack priority is more than this particular thing, I am popping the operator and I am placing that to the postfix expression. This performance will be done until our character priority is less than or equivalent to that particular S of top. If our priority is more, we are going to add that one. And I am pushing that particular character onto the stack at the end. So at the end, I am adding the /0 for this postfix expression and I am printing the infix and postfix expression. This is the program for conversion from the infix to